Guys, you won't believe what Blessing just said now. Okay, so we were just in bed here, the both of us, and she was like, Mommy, I want to eat biscuits. And then I went to the kitchen, gave her some biscuits. You can see her mouth. Then after eating, instead of this young lady here to tell me or to ask me to give her more, do you know what she said? She said, Mommy, when I eat more biscuits, I will start growing. I was like, so this is a new way or new tactics for asking for more stuff. Like when you need more stuff, instead of you to come straight and tell me that you want more, you're not using indirect way to come. Like, Blessing, can you say it again?
Mommy, I need more biscuits to grow.
You need more biscuits to grow. But that's not how you said it before. But you guys have heard her. When once she eats more now, she will start growing. Can you imagine? Where has it ever happened that when you eat more food or more biscuits, you will start growing immediately? Anyways, let me go get her more. I didn't ask you to end the vlog. Look at your lips. Look at your mouth. They will not even believe that you just finished taking your bath now. With your white mouth. Guys, this is the biscuit that Blessing has been enjoying. Courtesy of Ijoma, Gloria, and Opueme. Sis, have you seen what you've caused? Mama, I take.
I did like.
What do you say to Mommy? Yummy. What do you say to Mommy? Blessing, is this biscuit confusing you? When Mommy gives you something, what do you say? You say, thank you, Mommy. Mama mia. What do you say to Mommy?
Mommy, it's so.
Blessing, what do you say to Mommy?
To eat biscuit. No.
No. You say, thank you, Mommy. What do you say to Mommy?
I say, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. But it looks like this biscuit is confusing you. You don't know what to say anymore. Mama, wait. Guys, see una favorite girl again. She woke up this morning, after what she did or said last night, which I showed you guys. She woke up some minutes ago, came to the kitchen and started crying. I was like, what is it? She said, Mommy didn't tell me good morning, ma. Good evening, ma.
Mommy, leave me.
Wait, I was like, so am I now the one supposed to say good morning to you? Am I supposed to say good morning to you, Blessing? Instead of this girl to tell me good morning, ma, she's crying. She was actually crying that I didn't tell her good evening, ma. She said good evening.
Oh my God.
I'm not laughing. Look at her teary eyes. Look at. You can tell that she was crying. Now, as soon as I brought out the camera, she started laughing. Laughing. Oh yeah, get out of my kitchen. I should greet you. I don't blame you.